Now I will show the next method. Before wiring, you need to make the panel power off. And you need to remove the resistor from the panel. I will use the positive wire to connect the L positive port. And the negative wire will connect with the L negative port. Now I will use our 6-inch AW CBL2166 fire alarm bell to connect with our conventional fire alarm panel. And the 8-inch and 10-inch bell are the same wiring method. Now I will use the positive wire to connect with the bell positive wire and negative wire to connect with the bell negative wire. And if your bell is the last one, you need to put the 6.8K EOL resistor to the positive wire and negative wire. We will use the tape to protect the wiring. That's all. Now I will show you how to wire the second bell. I will use the positive wire from the sounders to connect with the bell's positive wire. And I will use the negative wire to connect with the bell negative wire. That's all.